how to create a migration in Laravel. Welcome to another Develop and Design tutorial. In today's video, we are going to look at how to create a database migration in Laravel. Before we can create a database migration, we need to set the database credentials in our .env file. This should already exist if you created the Laravel project using Composer. I am going to use a local MySQL database. So I will just need to set the DB connection to MySQL, add the database host, port, database name, username and password, and make sure they are not commented out by removing the hashtags. Now we want to create our migration by opening up a terminal, going to our Laravel project directory and running the command php artisan make migration, create underscore, name of the table, underscore table. Then hit enter. Then from the terminal we can see the file path of our new migration. And here we can also see the new migration in our code editor too. Just a quick note on the make migration command. If you are creating a new table, then it is best to put create underscore the table name underscore table, as Laravel will use that table name to pre-fill the migration file with that table name. As we can see in the generated file, the name of the table to be created is companies, just like what I added in the command. The migration file is made up of two functions, one called up and one called down. The up function is used to add new tables and columns to the database. The down function is to reverse anything that was added or modified by the up function. For this create companies table migration, I am going to add two columns, one called name and one called industry. I will make them both text fields. I will also keep the ID and timestamps, as that will give the table a primary key ID and details of when a record was created and modified. Now let's open up our terminal again and run the command php artisan migrate. This will run all migrations that have not yet run. Now if you open up a database management tool like Table Plus, then you should see the tables generated from the migrations, like our companies table that we have just created. If you have any questions about this, then please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like and hit the subscribe button.